We're following some breaking news out of Northwest Florida. A police chief from Oklahoma is dead, and one of his officers is accused of killing him. We just confirmed that the murder happened at the Hilton Inn on Pensacola Beach.
Officer Michael Neely had his first court appearance in Florida, where he is charged with murdering his boss. Investigators say it happened in a Pensacola Beach hotel room. Now, little is known about what took place inside their shared hotel room. That is, until now. News 4's Kelsey Hill uncovering the court documents.
Officer Michael Neely appeared before a Florida judge wearing a green and white jumpsuit. This Hilton hotel in Pensacola Beach now quiet, but on Sunday night it was swarming with deputies after Manford Police Chief Lucky Miller was found dead. Officer Michael Neely accused of killing him.
Now this is a photo of the victim, Manford, Oklahoma Police Chief Lucky Miller. Manford Police Officer Michael Patrick Neely was booked into the Escambia County Jail this morning and charged with murder. Now deputies say the two men were here to attend a conference. We checked. A public safety conference is scheduled to start today and run all week at the hotel. Now Miller had been the police chief since 2007, and he leaves behind a wife and 3 children. Live here on Pensacola Beach, I'm Bryant Clerkley, WKRG News 5.
Thank you, Bryant. We are told that Miller has been Manford Police Chief since 2007. He is survived by his wife Amber and 3 children. Oklahoma Mayor Tyler Buttram sent a press release saying in part, "We are heartbroken by the news. Please keep both families in your prayers as we work to move forward."
The discovery made after other hotel guests started complaining about yelling coming from their room. A man in the room next door reported hearing a roaring noise and someone yelling, "Stop it, Mike." A couple in another room even going to the front desk, asking for a room change. A maintenance man was sent to find out what was going on, saying he knocked several times and only heard someone making a grunting noise. When he opened the door, Neely was sitting on top of Miller, both men on the floor. Deputies say Miller had no pulse and that his face was beaten, his right eye completely swollen. Neely also had injuries to his nose and lip, both which happened when he was pulled off of Miller. Deputies say Neely was just mumbling, but they were unable to make out what he was saying. They also noticed Neely's right hand to be swollen and red. Jail records indicate Neely's bond was set at $1.5 million. He's scheduled to appear in court again on December 5th. He's not yet entered a plea in the case.